Hi guys, today we're gonna learn how to do beach waves in a very simple way. So we're gonna start with the first step, that is using the heat protector. So we're gonna spray by sections, especially towards the tips. It absorbs within seconds. So we're gonna help to spray the product through the hair with the brush, and we can see the immediate results if we compare it to this on our side. So now we're gonna repeat the process on the other side, but this time our model is gonna help us do it on the other side, so she can also feel the difference. Okay, so while she was applying the product on the other side, now the product is completely absorbed on this side. So we're gonna start sectioning the hair. Okay, so now we're gonna start using the Hera Twisty Straightener. So with this tool, you can straighten your hair and also make the very easy soft beach waves. So first we're gonna take the section, straighten it a little bit all the way to the end to remove the extra frizz. We don't want frizz. Even if it's a messy look, we try to have like a polished finish result. And here, the only thing you have to do is just like put the straightener here, twist it towards the back, and pull it out. Got this really soft wave. So here we're gonna create a little bit of volume, but at the same time we're gonna get rid of the frizz. You can position the straightener like pointing out to create this soft volume. But you can see the difference on the other side. There's like way more frizz. The baby hairs are the main character. So on this side, we're gonna repeat the process, but now we're gonna twist it like way closer to the roots to create that amazing volume. And we're gonna repeat the process all the way down. So this is creating more movement, and it looks way more like messy, but in a fancy way. And we can appreciate the volume from here with some movement. Well, we still have a very relaxed result in the middle. And you guys gonna see the transformation on the tips with the third step, that is the hair oil. Right now I'm just gonna continue going with the back part of the head. Do you have some type of experience using hand tools?
A little bit, like usually straighten my hair. Sometimes I do the curls. It would take me like hours.
Okay, girl, we got to the exciting part where you try. Just let this hand free. Keep it vertical. Yay, we got it. So I'm gonna apply the hair oil.